Welcome, my fellow truth seekers. Today we look past the romantic myths to decode how this landmark serves as an optical machine of control. This uncanny symmetry isn't just art. It was engineered as a psychological tool of intimidation, projecting supernatural order over the masses. Welcome to the future of influence, where ideas take shape and shadows reveal the truth. We are mesmerizing the masses. Moving beyond the grave, the layout reveals the Hasht Bihisht, an occult Persian map designed to capture and mirror cosmic dominance. The central chamber acts as a massive acoustic resonance point, physically solidifying the emperor's divine, spiritual lineage to his subjects. This progression from a square base to a circular dome acts as an alchemical bridge, symbolically positioning the ruler as a living god. These inscriptions are not merely poetic. They functioned as ritualistic portals for elite state initiates entering the sacred complex. The sprawling gardens represent the throne of God from esoteric texts, casting the emperor as the literal shadow of divine authority. The Charbagh is not simply a garden. It mirrors the divine diagram of the throne, reflecting heaven on earth. The river's perfect reflection works as an architectural doubling mechanism, cementing the empire as an eternal, cosmic entity. To understand the eternal, we must first look at its perfect redoubling mechanism is not just a copy, but an extension of its soul. Welcome to our journey through the silent clock of the cosmos. Today we align with the stars, where ancient stone meets the infinite sky. Forget the romantic moonlit view. These minarets were precisely aligned with key celestial constellations to mark specific imperial state rituals.
The calculated pairing of red sandstone and white marble served as alchemical tools for the spiritual purification of the realm.
The shifting sun acts as a clock, triggering hidden shapes to mesmerize and coordinate the public through pure geometry. What an absolute privilege it has been decoding this monument of power with you. Thank you for being a fantastic companion. Until next time.